perspective, we often run into the situation where we have a line of windows on the side of a building, and here's how to accurately put those in perspective. First, I'm going to draw a horizon line here, and then I'm going to put a building right in here, and we'll just put that as our vanishing point. So just run the vanishing point back to here and here, and say we want the other side of the building to run for right to here. Okay, so this is just simple two-point perspective, and then this can be the side of the building, and this can be the other side of the building. So we have the building right here. Say we want to put in 5 windows there. We just divide this space into 5. Now I've marked out 5 inches, so it makes it easy for me. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marks. Now I run those back to the vanishing point too. And this is very quick and easy. And if I'm out in the field, I don't necessarily have to go through all these mechanics with the ruler and so on. I can do this visually. But I just wanted to show you really the mechanics of it. Now, I draw a line diagonally from one side to the other. Let me make that a little darker. And this is the horizon right here. So we have these 5 lines. Now, when I go down here, I want to intersect this line here with this diagonal line. So I go up, 1. Go to the next one, 2. Go to the next one, 3. Go to the next one, 4. Now, that is the accurate perspective of where 5 windows should go. Now, these could be 5 posts or whatever. And I do have another video on perspective that's very similar to this, but it's a little different. So I'll put that description down below. Okay, so let's say I want the window here. So the first window would go here. Second one here. Now these windows can be any size. Just because I have these lines here doesn't mean I have to have the windows at that height. These lines just gave me the accurate distance away from each window. So the windows could be this size, any size you want, as long as this line still goes to the vanishing point. So we could have windows this size, and we could have a door back here. But these puts these all at the same and appropriate distance apart from each other. Now, if that was just a little too fast, I'll do it again here more graphically. First, I start with the horizon line, and then I add the building. And of course, this building, those edges of those buildings run to the vanishing point on the far right. I divide the area into 5 equal parts because I want 5 windows there, or 5 doors, whatever. Then I draw a line from those 5 equally spaced points back to the vanishing point. Next, I draw a diagonal line from corner to corner, and where those blue lines intersect the diagonal line, indicated by those red dots, then I draw vertical lines, and that will give me the accurate perspective of each window as it progresses down the line. And of course, I can do the same thing on the left side of the building. So the first point goes down here, the horizon line, second, third, fourth, and we have the 5th. Run a diagonal again, intersect this point here, this next point, this next one, this next one, this next one. And that gives us the accurate spaces between each of these windows. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed watching.